how to share Instagram Reel directly to WhatsApp stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily share your Instagram Reel directly to your WhatsApp stories. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Instagram, make sure it is updated to the latest version, then go to the reel section and tap the share icon on the reel that you want to add to your story. You will see the WhatsApp icon right there. Go ahead and tap on WhatsApp. Go ahead and tap on my status and then just hit send, and you can see that the story has been added to your status. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.